Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if your taskbar in Windows 11 PC or laptop here is not responding here. So if the taskbar is freezes or doesn't responding, you need to restart your Windows Explorer here. So first you need to open the task manager here. If the task manager is not working, there's another way you can open the task manager here. So you just have to press Alt, Ctrl and Delete button. Then this will show you this menu here. Then you just have to click on Task Manager. After opening the Task Manager here, you need to restart your Windows Explorer. So you have to find the Windows Explorer here. And if I go down, as you can see, here's the Windows Explorer here. So you just need to right click on it, then restart. And it will restart your Windows Explorer and also the taskbar here. So you just need to close it. And hope this will work for you. The problem of the taskbar is not responding will work for you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.